Good morning, everybody. I'm Teresa Perrin, and this is my stock market watch list for Monday, February 6, 2023. First of all, I apologize for no videos over the weekend, but I am dealing with a pipe that burst in my house this weekend because of the cold weather. And guys, I can't promise there'll be many videos for the amount of time it takes me to get through cleaning this up, but I will at least try to get out my morning watch list and, if at all possible, something in the evening as well. But anyways, so I still believe that AI plays are going to continue to be hot into this week. Obviously, we have C3 AI, BBAI, GFAI, SOUN. Those are the top ones on my radar. I also think you're going to see a huge move in a lot of names like CTLT, NET, Snow, a lot of these tech stocks that have been just beat down extremely hard. You're going to start to see them move. I would even keep an eye on things like ROKU. But let's get into some things that I found over the weekend when I had a down moment. Technically, that I'm looking at for today. And of course, guys, I still have Carvana and SI on my radar for a short squeeze potential. So let's get into it. And again, please smash that like button for me if you can. I'd greatly appreciate it. And do not jump into a trade blindly. Do not let a green trade turn red. And guys, do not chase. Always wait for that pullback. Uber, UBER reports earnings this week. I expect them to be spectacular. Well, compared to the way they've been. And I expect to see this to continue to move higher. It is a high priority on my watch list this week. ARQQ. This is a quantum stock, and guys, I found this by accident. I was just looking for technical setups, and I really like it. It looks like it made a big cup and handle or a big W that should be breaking out of this cup and handle. This is the 1 month chart we're looking at. Take a look at this name and tell me your thoughts, because I really think you're going to see some nice moves soon. Mark, M-A-R-K. All right. Interestingly enough, I made this list late last night because I have to get to an appointment early this morning. But it's running again in pre-market. So I found it because I like the technical setup, and here it is. So keep an eye on this, guys. I think this could be a very strong mover today. TNXP. All right, this one I called out a while back. We saw this huge run. It's just been consolidating. I am very convinced that it is ready to make its next leg up, and I think that happens this week. So keep a close eye on TNXP. ABCL, which is Abcelera Biologics. Again, guys, I was looking for just things that I like technically. This is the 1 year chart. I believe you're going to come up and test this high right here. And this is another name I would strongly put on your watch list because I think it could make a significant move. GFAI we just talked about, but I really like this setup as well, and I think it's only going to continue moving higher to the upside. INM in med pharmaceuticals. All right, I did a video on this a while back. Check it out. It consolidated way longer than I expected. I honestly thought we were going to get the break sooner than we did. Now does this pull back and make a cup and handle? It's possible, but I still feel that the play to 4 or 5 is in motion, guys. And I think now we definitely saw that consolidation. We saw the breakout. So I believe that this continues to move higher to those levels. So keep a close eye on it. BBAI, we talked about, guys, again, this made very strong moves in the after hours as well, and I believe it is moving in pre-market. It may get a slight pullback before it makes its next leg, but I don't think this is anywhere near done. ELYS. All right, we saw this make a significant move on Friday, pull back. Now I'm looking to see if it can make its next leg higher. MULN. All right. We saw this as well start to break out on Friday, and it was moving in the after hours. I don't think MULN's done. I think Friday, our normal Friday situation came into play. There was no way they were allowing it to get above 50 cents and put those options in the money. Please, this ticker is very cheap. This is something you buy shares in, not options, and you play the runs. David announced that he is trying to get to $1 naturally, and even though he has the vote for the reverse split, he wants to do it, avoid doing it if he can. So, guys, I believe that MULN can get above $1. In fact, I think he can go on a nice run. Look at FFIE. It's another one that's moving. As long as Tesla moves to the upside, I think that these will as well. Also, keep a close eye on Lucid. I didn't want to put all the same stocks on the video, but that's what I'm watching today, guys. And like I said, Carvana is huge on my top list too. Now, top gainers, we have SECO, RCRT, MPU, CAL, and JZXN. Top losers, RSLS, AWIN, AEI, HSCS, and SBIG. Most active, CRK, AUY, ADC, PCG, and HBAN. And our technical analysis top list, BAX, FTV, CAH, CARR, and FNB. Guys, that's all I got for you today. Thank you so much for watching and have a fabulous day.